Hello everyone, long time no see. I'm making this video after some times, like I guess 1 week. Today is 26th September 2024, and in last few days a lot of things happened, and also I have the target in this month to earn 10k 10k revenue from the business, and I think I can accomplish it. My last date is 5th October and today is 26th, and I still don't know, but I am one project is going on, so I think I will get 10k from that project. So the target I think can be you know feel fulfill, but a lot of things, a lot of thinking, a lot of decision has changed for the last few days. I actually went to Dhaka, and I spent 2 or 3 days there, and I observed a few things. And my perspective and everything a little bit changed, and I have to take some decision right now, and I think I'm in a pressure right now, and I think that is not a bad thing. We human do better things in pressure, so I guess that is not a bad thing. The thing is, a lot of things will be go on in future, like I'm going to take preparation for IELTS also besides my business work, so I have to actually work more hard. So I think it is possible. It's not that like it's not possible. I just have to crack the marketing, content publishing, content making, and delivering my work, like making those projects. And if I can grow consistently, then uh, I can be like a little bit stress free. But as long as I'm not growing, like I'm not passing 20-30k per month, I think I'll be in a lot of stress. And yeah, I think I am okay with that, and I think that will be a good thing. And going abroad is not a bad idea fully, but I actually don't want to invest my time in that thing, in a degree in universities, in learning a new culture, learning a new language, like mainly European language, and yeah, I want to learn about business. I want to learn about right now marketing. I have a lot of things to learn. I have to crack down my personal brand content. I have to post in LinkedIn, YouTube, or and Facebook if I can. Mainly, I will try to crack the LinkedIn and YouTube if I can. That will be awesome. If I can crack one of those two, LinkedIn or YouTube, I can that will set my like future. And I saw some content around making content, like Varun Maya. I watched a video from him in his channel, and totally everyone is saying content is the new king. Personal branding is the new king. Personal branding is the new thing, and making organic content, making educational, genuine content is the new currency, is the new attention seeking thing. Yes, we can do paid promotion, that is steroid just, but you need a basic level. And I'm also tried to run Facebook ads, and that didn't work. I actually don't have any idea how I am going to have clients next client, and I'm a little bit stressed about that, because without client next month target will be like 15k revenue or 20k revenue if I can. And so to meet that, I think I have to like get 2 clients at least. So that will be a tough thing. That will be really a tough thing. And I actually didn't get any new client this month. I got this project from my previous month client. So I actually did very well in my first month of business, but I didn't actually work that much in this month. Okay, so that's a thing. I actually didn't work as much as hard I worked in my first month. I published content, I made content. That was like hell. My personal life was very stressful. Even then, I built 2 websites. I fulfilled 2 clients, and they gave me 2 positive 100% good review, and that was very awesome. First month, that was my first month, and also I earned 5k up because of that. So that was awesome. That was awesome. I didn't expect that, but it was nice. So but in the second month, I actually was a little bit depressed. I was less motivated. I wasn't sure where to actually put my effort. And now I'm right now taking some decisions, like taking preparation besides my business work, and also making double down on making content. And also I will try to get clients by running ads in Facebook, but I actually don't think that will work very much, because I didn't got any result from it. That is really very sad. I have to crack down how to get clients by running ads, and I actually don't have any idea how I will do that. And also besides that, family pressures are going on. That is very depressing. One point I thought to leave my house, to leave this house, to leave, cut out the relationships with everyone. But I guess I talked today with my father, and I got some positive things from him. So I guess I'm going to go with this route. I will also prepare for the IELTS exam, and I will also do my business work. He actually gave me 6 months or 1 year. I'm I'm assuming I have 6 months, and I have to actually give some outstanding result, so that I can convince them that what I am saying is not like everyone. I'm actually not talk. I don't like to talk, but I like to show. So let's see if I can double down like this in every month. I think I will be in a good position. But last time when I was doubling like this, I was doubling in my study. I was first 2 hours, then I went 4 hours, then I went to 6 hours. That was my highest in a single day. I studied 6 hours in a single day, and I actually broke down from that. So I am not sure if I can actually consistently increase and keep it up, and that is my next challenge, and I'm willing to take that challenge. I also have to study, and I also have to study business. I have to crack down paid promotion, content making. A lot of things will be go on from here. I will try to actually talk in English from now, and I'm going to practice mainly. And I have 0 views in my YouTube channel right now, and that is very weird. One, there is not a single view right now, besides my watch times. So that is very weird. And so I'm actually going to make videos basically to practice my English, uh, and I'm going to share, and I'm going to also record those things so that in future one day I can look back and see myself, that was me, in 2024, when I was building my uh, business. And that will be a proof that I didn't build it in one day. I didn't have it in one morning and I was like over the world. I built it from zero. Yes, I started my business with zero investment. I actually have a PC. I have a computer that my father gave me, and that was an investment, I would say. And also I have a room, and also internet connection, electricity, internet connection. So these basic things I got from my family, and there is nothing else. Everything is by myself. So this is right now, it's 1 a.m. This is very night time. I need to sleep. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Let's see. Good night.